everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your premier destination for cultivating exquisite outdoor spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are diving deep into one of the most sophisticated ways to elevate your home: built-in garden planters. Essentially, a built-in planter is a permanent architectural feature integrated directly into your home's landscape or structure, such as a deck, patio, or retaining wall. Unlike portable pots or containers that can be moved around, these planters are fixed in place, often made from the same materials as your flooring or fencing to create a seamless, high-end look. They act as the literal foundation for your greenery, bridging the gap between your home's hardscape and the natural beauty of your plants. The benefits of incorporating built-in planters into your outdoor living area are numerous and go far beyond simple aesthetics. First and foremost, they provide incredible structural organization, helping to define different rooms within your outdoor space and directing the flow of foot traffic. Because they are permanent, they offer superior protection for your plant's root systems, providing better insulation against temperature fluctuations compared to thin-walled plastic pots. Furthermore, built-in planters are a major selling point for real estate. They add a sense of luxury and finished design that can significantly increase your property value. They also make gardening more accessible by raising the soil level, which means less bending and easier maintenance for you as you care for your favorite flowers or herbs. Decorating your built-in planters requires a thoughtful approach to color, texture, and height to ensure they pop against their structural background. A classic design technique is the thriller, filler, spiller method. Choose a tall, eye-catching plant as the thriller, like a small tree or ornamental grass, surround it with mid-sized fillers like hostas or flowering shrubs, and finish with spillers that drape over the edges like ivy or creeping jenny. To make the planters look truly professional, consider adding integrated LED lighting along the base or tucked under the rim. This creates a magical glow at night and highlights the architectural lines. You can also play with the mulch or top layer by using decorative river stones, slate chips, or colorful glass pebbles to give the soil surface a clean, polished appearance that complements your home's exterior. Choosing the right material is crucial for both the longevity of the planter and the health of your plants. Wood is a popular choice for its natural warmth and versatility. Pressure-treated lumber or naturally rot-resistant species like cedar, redwood, and teak are ideal for a cozy, organic feel. For those seeking a modern or industrial aesthetic, poured concrete or concrete blocks provide unmatched durability and a sleek, minimalist finish. Brick and stone are excellent for traditional homes, offering a timeless look that blends perfectly with existing masonry. If you want something unique, weathered steel corten is a trendy option that develops a beautiful rusty patina over time while remaining incredibly strong. Regardless of the material, always ensure the interior is properly waterproofed and has adequate drainage holes to prevent waterlogged soil and structural rot. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best built-in garden planter ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. One, the modern rooftop curve. In this stunning design, a wide sweeping curved planter made of weathered steel or deep-toned composite acts as a natural barrier on a high-rise balcony. The gentle curve softens the harsh lines of the glass railing, while the elevated height provides a perfect home for tall grasses and privacy-providing shrubs. This setup proves that built-in planters are the best way to bring a lush, park-like feel to even the most urban environments. 2. Illuminated multi-level deck planters. This idea features dark wood planters built directly into a multi-tiered deck system. The standout feature here is the integrated strip lighting beneath each tier, which illuminates the walkways and makes the greenery glow after sunset. It's a perfect example of how built-in planters can serve as both a garden and a safety feature, guiding guests through the space with light. 3. Minimalist concrete bench integration. Perfect for small backyards, This design uses a clean white concrete wall that features a recessed wooden bench. The planter sits directly behind and above the seating area, allowing plants to drape down behind the cushions. It creates a cozy niche feeling and saves immense amounts of space by combining seating and gardening into one architectural element. 4. Classic red brick tulip bed. For a more traditional or suburban look, a sturdy red brick planter with a wide cap or ledge is a timeless choice. This design shows a rectangular brick bed filled with vibrant red tulips, providing a permanent home for seasonal bulbs. The thickness of the brick walls provides excellent thermal mass, keeping soil temperatures stable throughout the changing seasons. 5. Urban high-back terrace planters. This design utilizes tall, dark gray modular planters to create a living wall effect along a driveway or property line. By varying the heights of the built-in boxes, you create a sense of depth and movement. It is an excellent solution for adding greenery to narrow spaces where traditional gardening isn't possible, transforming a plain walkway into a sophisticated entrance. 6. The tiered garden staircase. In this design, the planters are built to mirror the steps leading up to a home's entrance. Using light gray composite materials, these planters create levels of flowers and succulents that lead the eye upward. It's a brilliant way to soften the transition between a concrete patio and the house itself, making the entryway feel much more welcoming and vibrant. 7. Zen Garden Wood and Stone Corner. This L-shaped seating area features a built-in wooden bench that transitions seamlessly into large wooden planter boxes. The contrast between the warm timber, the black privacy fence, and the light stone flooring creates a serene Zen-like atmosphere. Small trees like Japanese maples are used here to add height and a touch of elegance to the corner of the patio. 8. Expansive multi-zone decking. For large outdoor spaces, built-in planters can be used to separate different zones, such as a dining area and a lounging area. This design features long, low-profile wooden planters that run the length of the deck, filled with ornamental grasses and topiaries. It provides a sense of enclosure without blocking the view, making a large deck feel intimate and organized. 9. Contemporary Pathside Planter. This design showcases a long, sleek white planter box that runs alongside a modern concrete path. The use of dark river rocks and minimalist shrubs creates a high-contrast, gallery look. This is a fantastic idea for modern homes with clean lines, as the planter acts as a structural frame for the landscape, keeping everything looking neat and intentional. 10. Cozy L-shaped nook with string lights. Nothing says relaxation like a built-in wooden corner bench backed by a high-walled white planter. This setup uses plush pillows and overhead string lights to create the ultimate evening retreat. The built-in planter behind the bench allows for tall, leafy plants to provide a natural privacy screen from neighbors, making your backyard feel like a hidden sanctuary. Built-in garden planters are more than just a place to put your plants. They are a long-term investment in the beauty and functionality of your home. Whether you choose the warmth of wood, the strength of concrete, or the classic charm of brick, integrating these features into your outdoor space creates a polished, professional look that stands the test of time. By choosing the right materials and playing with height and lighting, you can turn a simple backyard into a stunning architectural masterpiece. If you found these ideas inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more outdoor inspiration. Which of these top 10 ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your dream garden project. And for more tips on how to transform your patio, check out our other videos on the screen right now. Happy gardening!
you.